Good morning, traders. John Caruso coming to you. Today is Friday, November 30th with your currency report for the day. Taking a look real quick at some of the economic numbers we saw this morning. We did see personal income come in unchanged. Personal spending was down 0.2%. We've got a very flat equities market right now. I believe the S&P is currently trading right around 1412, which has it down about 2 points on the morning. The Dow Jones is trading down about 10 to 15 points presently as well. Looking at the U.S. dollar trading right around 80.24, we're up about 3.5 points on the morning. We did see a strong rejection yesterday off of, or a strong bounce anyways, off of that 80 level. That's going to be a key support level. So I would look for a little more upside here in the short run in the U.S. dollar. As the headlines, the U.S. fiscal cliff still dominates the headlines. You may see investors try to seek comfort back into the U.S. dollar over the next several sessions. Looking at the euro, 129.88, up about 11 points on the morning, having a very difficult time regaining that 130 level. That's a key resistance level in the marketplace. I do think we'll probably see the euro slide back over the next few sessions as well. Taking a look at the Japanese yen, very sluggish economic data we saw in the overnight come out of Japan. That market's on the run right now. It's down 71 ticks, trading 121.07. And looking at some of the outside foreign currencies, the Aussie is trading lower this morning. Also, the British pound is trading lower. So a little bit of a risk off in some of the foreign currencies, but not much really to discuss in terms of direction. Yesterday we saw foreign currencies higher. Today we're seeing them bounce back. So everything's been pretty much stuck in a range. The U.S. fiscal cliff, like I mentioned before, continued to dominate the headlines. Will we get an agreement before December 31st? Will we not? That's, I would just expect very volatile trading throughout the month of December. Looking forward, it looks like the headlines of the Wall Street Journal today, Democrats came to the table with $1.6 trillion in new taxes, with $50 billion in infrastructure spending. The GOP immediately dismissed that. Is not a good act of bipartisanship between with the Democrats. So I, as mentioned before, expect a lot of volatility. We're not going to see much in terms of direction until we do see a deal reached in Washington. So that's all I have for you. We'll see you again next week. Feel free to give me a call anytime, 800-669-5354. And remember, trading futures and options carries risk. It may not be suitable for all investors.